Hello aspirants, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, La Learner Hub. In this video, I'll let you guys know about top 10 colleges in Bangalore. In last video, we all knew about best colleges in Karnataka. Okay then, we all together try to know about best colleges in Bangalore. One by one, I'll gonna explain you about the law colleges in Bangalore. Not Bangalore, it is Bengaluru. Okay, shall we continue our video? First and foremost, National Law School of India University, Bangalore. It is not only best college in Bangalore, it is top most and best college in all over India. And this is government college also. Next one, University College of Law, Bangalore University, Bengaluru. And third one, KLE Societies Law College, Bengaluru. And so many notes are available in this college website which is related to law in Kannada and English also. Fourth one, BMS College of Law, Bengaluru. It is also one of the best college in Bengaluru. And fifth one, School of Law, Christ University, Bengaluru. It is also a topmost college in Bengaluru. Sixth one, Bangalore Institute of Legal Studies, Bengaluru. Seventh one, and the best colleges in Bangalore, MS Ramaya College of Law, Bengaluru. Then next one, Alliance College of Law, Bengaluru. Next, ninth one, Al Amin Law College, Bengaluru. And last one, Bishop Cotton Women's Christian Law College, Bengaluru. These are the top 10 best colleges in Bengaluru. If I didn't mention any college, please let me know guys. Please comment in comment section and let me know. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to like the video. If you like the video, I'll try to do more videos like this. And I'm happy to give you information about law colleges and syllabus, subjects, which is best books and all. Please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you all.